Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you now how you can buy our token, the DCTO, Decentralized Crypto Token, for a really cheap price like 0.0002 euros on the first exchange where we are listed. This is dex.com. More exchanges will follow soon and for sure I will update you with this. If you don't have an account yet here, just click on the sign up button. For sure I will also put all the links in the video description and then you can start with registration. Just put in here your email address, choose a password and confirm this. This code is optional so you don't need this, and confirm that you are over 20 years old. Then also confirm the reCAPTCHA and send it. When you have done this, you will receive a confirmation email. Just click on the link in the email and normally you are direct in the back office. If you have to sign in normally, I will also show you. Just put in here your email address and your password, then send this and you will receive also an email with verification code so that nobody other will log in into your account. That's just for security. And then go to your email account, check your emails. And yes, here is the email for verification code. Just copy this code. Wait. So, perfect. Oh no. Yes, now perfect. Then paste it here and go further. Then normally you're directly perfect in the back office. So if you will make a deposit, you will have your email here or your profile. Just click on profile and then you will see all the tokens. And yeah, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, you have to change this later into Ethereum because trading pair with our token is Ethereum. If you deposit Ethereum, it's better, but also Bitcoin is also okay for sure. Then click here on deposit and you see your deposit address and send your Ethereum or your Bitcoin just to this address, and after 2 confirmations you will have your Ethereum or your Bitcoin here and you can directly start. Then go to trade. Oh, I will change it for you in English. So just go to trade here and then you have here Callisto now, the coin, but we want to trade for sure our token, the DCTO. Then go down and here you will find the pairs and the wallets. If it's here on BTC, just click on Ethereum and search for DCTO and then you will find it. Just click on the coin here and here you will see the chart, how it's going. It's loading now. Yeah, you will see it slowly goes up again. And then you can start to buy our token. Here on the left side you see your Ethereum balance. If you click on your balance here, it goes directly into the chart normally. Yes, you will see it here. Perfect. And then you can just click on the green button, buy, and normally, yes, you will see here the confirmation and then you will have your coins. If you want to deposit or send your tokens to a ERC20 wallet like my Ether wallet or whatever, you can do this for sure. Otherwise you can hold it also here. In near future we will we will release our own desktop wallet. There you can also store it for sure. Yes, that's normally all. If you have any questions or something you want to know, just comment below the video. Otherwise, you can also for sure join our Telegram channel. And yeah, that's all for today. And we will see us, and I will update you with further exchanges. This will be the next 2 weeks. Maybe we will be listed on 2 other exchanges. So buy the token now. The time is now, and have a nice day.